Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Node.js, how to create the file system. So we already know how I already done many videos how to install the Node.js, how to make the Node.js projects, all things I have done. If you are not watched my introduction video of Node.js, I have gave the link below. You have to go through those links and you have to go through that. You can study Node.js. Right now here we have to, this is the introduction part. So here I'm going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this project into VS Code editor. So command from code space dot open on this. Now here I'm going to, this is a file system, this is my folder. Here I'm going to create my server application server.js, right? So here I'm not going to do the express server, right? I'm going to use the I'm going to create the server via HTTP. So very simple. So you have to create a server via the HTTP. So you have to write const keyword. As a basic, you can create the server like this. HTTP. You have to write here require. You have to type require. You have to type here HTTP. This is a model. Like this model this model consists of create server, right? So we have to add the another module which is a constant fs. This module you can require you can require fs, the file management system. Okay, what is a file management system be? I'm going to here first I'm going to start at the server. After that I'm going to explain it. So http create server. You have to write this server. You have to create the request and response. You have to create the request and response. You have to create the server and you have to write request and response, right? So you have to write here request comma response, right? You have to get the request and you can response. You have to write two things, request and response. This is how you have make the application, right? You have to write the arrow function. This is the arrow function, that arrow function, right? So write like this. Okay, this is arrow function, right? So here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to do the thing is first I'm going to do start with the bracket. Sorry, I haven't, right? So here I'm going to do it as but arrange like this, right? Now here this fs, right? So here I'm going to create the file. So what is the file I'm going to create as another file is index.html, right? This html I'm going to shift key alt and shift key down and on your keyboard and press one key on your keyboard, you'll get this symbol. You have to export it. Here I'm going to write h1 tag. I'm going to write h1 tag. This is the message. Message one. This is a file. I'm going to save all. I'm going to get it in here. This is the file we have to open over here. When the server is running, I'm going to open the file here. Right? That's the thing you have to write. Okay? Right? That's the thing you have to write. So here I'm going to first you have to write dot, you have to listen. Server listen port, you have to write listen port. You have to write 400 port, 4000 port, comma. You have to write here as here also arrow function. You have to write the arrow function. Right? Here we are opening close bracket. Here I would write console dot log server started, right? That's it. Now let's check it whether the server is running or not first. Okay, so this is server, so server's running for, right? So let's save all, right? So you can check here, you can see right now I haven't done here anything else. Now let's complete the code, right? So fs file dot read line, read file. Here this is our current directory dot I have to get this file. So slash index dot html slash, you have to input two things, error comma data. If there is error coming, it will be throw the error. If it is a data coming, data will be displayed. That's the thing you have to put it the two things. Right. Here also you write error function. Right. Open and close bracket. Here what I did here is. Right. Here what I did here is. Here you have to write. If error open and close bracket, you have to write response dot end. You have to write error message page error page problem not displayed if found or something else you have to write this data. This data is okay. That's it. Now let's check. Simple implementation. Right? How to get the details into here. This server. File save all. Now how to run the Node.js project. Node server .js. Press enter key on your keyboard. Server is started. The port which is the port, which is this is the port. So let's go here and you type localhost port number colon 400 message one is displayed. Right? This how we have to create the server using HTTP, so the HTTP model and using to create the server, and this one we have to implement the file system. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you so much.